Hello and welcome to Generates Maths. In this video, I'll be showing you how to work out volume of this shape in front of you. The shape in front of you is a triangular prism. And what is special about prisms? The front face and the back face is the same, or all the way through. If you look at from the front and the back, the size will stay the same. And it's very easy to work out the volume of these kind of shapes, and they are called prisms. To find out volume, we first of all need to work out the area of the cross section. And what is a cross section? This front face here, or if you cut the shape from anywhere, and the face you will get will be a cross section. So in order to get to the volume, we first will work out the area, or you can actually directly go to the volume as well. I'll talk about that whilst we work the volume out. Okay, so let's go ahead and work out first of all the cross section, this front face. And you can see that this front face is a triangle. And to find the area of triangle, you always have to do base times the height and then divide it by 2. So base times height divided by 2. And we know in this case the base is 4 and the height is 7. Sometimes they will give you, or the exams will give you, this value here. That will be just to confuse you or for any other calculations. For example, if I have a right angle triangle and I'm given some value here and some value here, I can go ahead and do base times height and divide by 2. But if the shape is not in a right angle, so I can see that this triangle does not have a right angle, then I will need a straight upward height. Or in all cases, I do need straight upward height. But this example here is already a right angle triangle, and then you can see that this will definitely be the upward height. Now in some cases, as I said, that you will be given a value here, but this angle here is not a right angle, so you will always need a straight upward height, and sometimes they will show you a right angle here when they mention a value here, just to clear this up that this is your straight upward height. So let's go ahead and work out the area of this shape. The area of this shape, as we said, is base times height divided by 2. So the front face will be 4, the base, and times the height, which is 7, and then divide by 2. So 4 times 7 is 28, and then divided by 2 is 14. You can always actually simplify it here as well, that 4 divided by 2 is 2, and then 2 times 7 is 14. But just to make it easy, you can go ahead and do 7 times 4, 28, and then divide by 2, which is 14 centimeter squared. You can see we just multiplied two lengths and we have got centimeter squared. Now the volume is centimeter cubed, so we still have to multiply the third length. Now we know that how much is the front face here, which is 14 centimeter squared. We know that it's going backwards 10 centimeter. So let's go ahead and find the volume now. This will be the area. And now to find volume, we just multiply 14 with that 10. And that is going to give us 140 centimeter cube. The most common mistake which students do is they always forget dividing by 2. And you could have just multiplied them all straight away. 7 times 4, 28. 28 times 10 is 280. And then divide by 2, you'll still get 140 centimeters squared. But it's easier always to work out the front face, as sometimes exams will straight away give you the word cross section. So please make sure that you have in mind this word cross section. That means the area of the front face. Okay, so cross section. Thanks for watching my video.